Rafflesia arnoldi. The Rafflesia arnoldi is the world's largest flower. It is also called the corpse plant because it emits a foul odor, similar to rotting flesh, to attract pollinators like flies. This giant flower is found in the dense rainforests of Sumatra, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Bengkulu. The flower can grow up to 3 feet in diameter and is famous for its striking appearance and unpleasant smell. Encephalatos woodii. Encephalatos woodii, also known as wood cycad, is one of the rarest plants in the world. It is native to South Africa and is known for being extinct in the wild, with no specimens found in their natural habitat. The plant has separate male and female plants, but for a long time, no female specimens were discovered, making reproduction difficult. However, the plant is now conserved in botanical gardens, where efforts are being made to protect and possibly restore the species. The Welwitschia plant. The Welwitschia plant is one of the longest living plants in the world, often referred to as a living fossil due to its ancient lineage. It is native to the deserts of Namibia and Angola in Africa. The plant is known for its 2 long, strap-like leaves that continue to grow throughout its lifetime. Some Welwitschia plants are estimated to be over 1,000 years old. Its unique appearance and ability to survive in harsh desert conditions make it a remarkable example of resilience and adaptation in the plant kingdom. Amorphophilus titanum. Amorphophilus titanum, commonly known as the corpse flower, is a strange-looking plant that is famous for its large size and unique appearance. It is rarely found in the wild and is often conserved in botanical gardens, such as the one at Rose Hills of Huntington. The plant is notorious for its occasional blooming, which happens only every few years. When it blooms, it emits a foul odor resembling rotting flesh, which attracts pollinators like flies. The Middlemist's red. The Middlemist's red is a rare flower with only 2 known specimens left in the world. One of the plants is in the Botanical Garden of London, and the other is in New Zealand. This beautiful flower, which has striking pink petals, was once more common but became extremely rare due to overcollection and habitat loss. It is named after the British botanist John Middlemist, who introduced it to Europe in the early 19th century. The flower is now carefully conserved in botanical gardens to protect its survival. The Rothschild's slipper orchid. The Rothschild's slipper orchid is one of the most expensive flowers in the world. It is highly prized for its beauty and rarity, and it takes about 15 years for the plant to produce a single flower. This orchid grows at specific elevations in the high mountains of Borneo, where the conditions are perfect for its growth. Due to its limited habitat and the time it takes to bloom, it is considered extremely valuable and is closely protected in its natural environment.